everybody, I hope you all are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be working on just a little heart-shaped canvas. I think it's like 6 inches or something. I don't have the paper, the wrapping. Anyway, it's just a little canvas just to have some fun with. I'm going to be doing a little bloom, maybe a couple blooms on here. I'll probably start with one and got my spinner. And I don't do blooms a lot, but I kind of felt I'm in the mood, I suppose. And I've got my mini leaf blower with the middle attachment. I don't know if you guys are like me. I don't have the lung capacity to blow all of the blooms all the time. I have asthma and it's a little difficult for me. So using this awesome thing really does help out. Alright, so I've got some awesome colors that I'm going to be using, so I guess I will just start with those first. The first is a darker purple, and I mixed a couple paints together. I've got violet from the Fine Touch, and then Dioxazine Purple from Liquitex Basics. Love this color here. It's a couple that I mixed together, and I don't have the other one, but it's Winsor & Newton Deep Turquoise, and then this one, DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl. Super pretty color, love it. And then this one here is Pebeo Iridescent Green Yellow. And then I've got a little bit in here, and that is from Amsterdam, and it is Pearl Pearlescent Pearl Green. And then this color is what I will be using for my swipe, which is white, and that is from Amsterdam. And the way that I mix my swipe color, I haven't used white in a while, so I usually use black, and I'm using the Amsterdam Titanium White. I mixed it with Floetrol, 1 teaspoon of the Amsterdam White, with 3 teaspoons of the Australian Floetrol. So it's a simple recipe. It works pretty easy. If you can't get your hands on the Australian, you can always use the American and add some pre-stained wood conditioner. 6 to 8 drops usually does the trick. Alright, so these paints, I just mixed them like I normally, my regular paints. I think it was about 2.5-ish parts paint to 1 part pouring medium, and my pouring medium is Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and water. I'm not going to use a white base. I just never have really done them that way. Maybe that's why, I don't know. I'm not sure. I know a lot of people use the paint base, but I'm just going to put the purple down first, and it's going to be kind of like my base. So that's how I'm doing it. So we'll see how it goes, and then I'll be spinning. Now it looks like I probably will be a lot's going to be flying all over. You can see right here that it was from another one that I had used the spinner, and it kind of went everywhere. Maximus even got to wear some, so I tried to tell him to move, but he can't hear, so he didn't know, and he got paint all over him. So, and I think I did this opposite way. I wanted to put the, oh well, it doesn't really matter. It does not matter. This is just fun. I'm just having some fun, and a lot of times it can be a little frustrating sometimes if you're actually trying to go for something specific and then you don't get it. So a lot of times I just put it in my head that, oh, it's just for fun, which it is also, but it kind of does take the pressure off. If you're that way, that kind of a person, you put too much pressure on yourself to get a certain thing. And so this is kind of what I do. I say I'm having fun. If it works out, it works out. So here we go. I've got the middle, super easy to put these on. It's the middle size, so here we go. everybody, here we go with the wet photos, and I am so happy with how this turned out. It looks gorgeous, the colors are beautiful, the bloom in the center looks amazing, and I love it. I don't do many blooms, so this one has got me kind of excited, so I'm crossing my fingers that it dries nicely. Okay, so now we're gonna see how this painting dried, and it looks perfect. I love it. The colors, the bloom, everything looks so beautiful. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave me a comment below. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, to go ahead and do that now. And give me a thumbs up as well. Click the notification bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Don't forget, guys, to check out my Etsy shop for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well. And I will catch you in the next one.